So, guys, the very first topic that we are going to pick to start this beautiful journey of yours to become a IT software testing engineer in any of the big IT firms, we are going to pick the very seed level. What is a software? Now, of course, you are going to be engineers who will be software testers or QA analysts or QA engineers. Of course, there is a need to understand what exactly is a software. So, guys, computer machines cannot talk or they cannot share or exchange information. So, guys, as we all know, computer machines can only interact with binary numbers 0 and 1. There is only two conditions, true or false. These are the only two numbers in which the computer machines is going to interact with the user. Now, how to make this machine useful and interactable and perceivable and operable and understandable to the large amount of audience. Now, for that, we would need softwares which can provide a beautiful UI, a graphic representation of a complete business. Now, not just the UI is going to get us achieve that. With a beautiful UI, we would need a great user experience that caters to masses. I mean, language should not be a barrier. You can provide the same software services in multiple languages so that the audience, the masses that you are going to reach will be huge. So it won't be incorrect if you say that softwares are the tools by which we enable the interaction of a user and a machine. There is the exchange of information happening at both ends with the tool which can be referred as a software. Now, guys, softwares can majorly be divided into two categories: a desktop application software and a web application software. A desktop application software can be like your VLC, your media player, Windows Media Player, your calculator, your calendar. I mean, there is a long list of softwares that stays in your operating system that comes installed with your OS, or you install them into your system to run their exe file, and the softwares provide the kind of service they are made for. But for that, you have to install these softwares or they are automatically installed with your operating system. Like tomorrow, if you want to run Eclipse in your system, you have to install this software. You have to set up your environment variable so that your Java is acknowledged by the system, and then you are going to write the code on this particular editor. Eclipse is an editor, right, used for Java coding. But contrary to that, web application softwares are hosted over a world wide web network. Now, how interesting is that? You are sitting and creating a software which will be available to be accessed by the whole world. So, you create a service sitting inside a small room, and the service is available to cater the whole world audience. These are the softwares like Amazon.com, Zomato, Swiggy. I mean, there are so many that are running out there in the market and are making money left, right, and center. Now, this web application software is the real bread and butter for a lot of software IT services companies, and a lot of businesses are running in web application software format only. Like Amazon is a web application software. So always remember, guys, be it any software, it is made to provide a kind of a service that helps humans to perform complex tasks in much sorted and organized manner compared to physical ways of maintaining. I mean, you can maintain the records of the employees of whole company in a seamless manner using a ERP solution. So the life is easy now. You want to have a burger, you want to have a chocolate. There are software services that can provide you that in 10 minutes on your doorstep. So these softwares are making you dependent by getting into your lifestyle. Now, even if you want to share your life with people, even for that, there is a software. It's a social network that is provided over the net. You can create your profile, you can share your stories. And of course, the world is a better place because of softwares, because of web application softwares. And we as testers are always very important for any organization, because only when we sign off a software to make it public, only then it is going to be public. So we are the bottlenecks as software testers who are the caretakers of the quality of the product. I mean, no developer is going to tell you that what I have developed might be faulty. Of course, there has to be someone else who understands the application, who understands the technical ways to use that application. Only then people can put money into that software. So, whenever we are going to talk about software testing, we are going to refer about the web application softwares only. This course is all about that.